Hi, this is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Marina del Rey, California. Today we'd like to talk to you about IPL, or intense pulse light. It's a very common procedure in our practice and one of our favorites for a couple of reasons. First of all, there's almost no downtime from the procedure, so that right there is exciting in and of itself. The second thing is it treats two common problems. The first are sunspots. We see this particularly after a summer in Los Angeles. It helps to get rid of those little brown spots on skin. The second thing is it treats the challenging conditions of redness or rosacea that are otherwise pretty difficult to treat. For those reasons, it's a very popular procedure in our practice. And we have our nurse specialist, Rachel, who does a ton of this in our practice, as well as other treatments such as fillers, Botox, and other lasers. Rachel's going to elaborate a little bit more for us on the details of IPL, or intense pulse light.
So IPL, or intense pulse light, is a great laser treatment for those people who are trying to target hyperpigmentation, sunspots, rosacea, or any type of diffuse redness. It uses a bright light that really targets either the red and brown in the skin or a combination of the two. A person who would not be the best candidate for this is anyone with a darker skin type, because it can cause some post hyperpigmentation. Before your IPL treatment, there's really not anything that you have to do to prepare. I would always stop using any active ingredients before any laser treatment because it can cause a little bit of excess irritation. For the IPL in general, you want to stay out of the sun before and after the treatment, as heat can kind of exacerbate the hyperpigmentation. So we recommend doing these treatments more in the winter and fall months. So during the procedure, we'll apply goggles to your eyes, and we use the IPL, which is going to be a bright flash of light and a little bit of a discomfort feeling, but it's very tolerable. It's a great procedure to do with almost no downtime. After the procedure, it takes anywhere from about 7 days to see the little brown spots kind of darken and flake off. For the redness, it just kind of will slowly improve over time. With this treatment, just like any other, you do require a series of treatments, usually between 4 to 6, and usually about 4 to 6 weeks apart as well. If we're treating just for brown pigmentation, we can apply a topical numbing cream. However, if we are treating the redness, we cannot apply it because it actually causes the skin to blanch out and we're not able to treat the redness.
I hope you enjoyed that information on IPL, or intense pulse light. We look forward to seeing you soon at our practice in Marina del Rey, California.
Thank you for watching.
And be sure to subscribe to Stoker Plastic Surgery to see all of our upcoming and new videos, and comment and like anything you'd like to see in the future.